Let's learn new ways to say no in English. Informal ways to say no. Nope or nah. You can use this with your friends. For example, can I take this? Nope. Can I take this? Nah. I think I'll pass. I think I'll pass. You can use this when you decided not to do. For example, will you play with us? I think I'll pass. Thank you. Not a chance. Not a chance. You can use these when there is no absolute possibility. No way. No way. For example, can I take your car for today? No way. You can't drive my car. Formal ways to say no. I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not. For example, will you come to the conference tomorrow? I'm afraid not. I'm sorry, but the answer is no. I'm sorry, but the answer is no. For example, can I borrow your laptop? I'm sorry, but the answer is no. Not to my knowledge. Not to my knowledge. You can use these when you have no information to be asked for. For example, do you know where is the bus? Sorry, not to my knowledge. It means, sorry, I don't know where is he or where is she. I'd love to do it, but can you give me a hand after work? I'd love to do it, but I have no time for it. Sorry. Polite ways to say no. Not really. Not really. Use when you have no interest or agreement. Would you like to come over tonight? Not really. I have lots to do. Not exactly. Not exactly. Do you get everything he said? Or do you understand everything he said? Not exactly. I think not. I think not. Have you lunch with us? I think not. I have to go home. Firm or strong ways to say no. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Can I go there alone? Absolutely not. Sorry, it's not possible. Sorry, it's not possible. Your daughter or son asks you, can I go to the party tonight? And you said, sorry, it's not possible. You have school tomorrow. Not now. Can you do me a favor? Not now. Use these ways to say no in your speech and keep learning English. See you in the next videos. See you.